What if the solution to Burundi's challenges is already amongst us? What if millions of Christians united by faith and action decide to come together to create a more prosperous nation? Well, early Christians did that. The Bible tells us there wasn't a single needy person amongst them. Today, a larger percent of Burundians identify as Christians. Imagine the impact if Christian professionals, entrepreneurs, farmers, students, and leaders decided to work together to create jobs, create opportunities, support families, and transform their communities. So join us for Kwumva no Gukora, a new Christian dialogue taking place on the 27th of this month at Peniel Holy Assembly Church or our Facebook platform, a unique Christian dialogue where we are going to be exploring how faith can inspire practical solutions to poverty, economic empowerment, and national transformation. Because when Christians move from hearing to doing, communities change and nations change.